Hi, what I want to show you today is a milkshaker from Royal Catering. A device you would commonly see in a bar or in a cafe or in a fast food shop serving milkshakes. That's what it's for. So let me just go through all the details and I show you what it does. So first of all, you have the stainless steel construction with a really nice shine to it, nice polish. It works with 60 watts and you can set the rotations between 12 and 18,000 per minute. You have that switch on the right hand side, on your left. You can switch it down and up. So you have 12,000 rotations per minute on the top gear, and when you turn it down you have the 18,000 rotations. So you can take the mug off the stand. So let me quickly prepare a milkshake for you. So just some ice cream, just some milk, let's do some flavoring. I have some strawberry syrup, just like that. And basically one thing to remember is to put it properly on. There's this special latch with the safety button on it, so you have to slide it in, make sure it sits comfortably on the shelf, and it presses down the safety button. So now it's up to you what kind of rotations you need, whether you want it faster or slower. In my case, I just want it done really quickly, so press it down for 18,000 rotations, and all you have to do now is just to wait a couple of seconds. So it should take approximately 1.5 minutes to get the milkshake ready. Alright, so in the meantime, if you're looking for a milkshaker for your cafe or your bistro, just have a look at the website because there's a couple of more of these on offer. If you are interested in one, you may also check out the condiment containers for the bar, which makes it really easy and fast to service. And well, that's about it. Let's have a look. Let's turn it off. You may wonder what the other button is for. So that's the reset button. So should the device overheat, it will trip the safety. So you won't be able to turn it on. In order to turn it back up, you just press the reset button. Of course, you need some time for the device to cool down. But when you press the reset button, the device is pretty much ready to go. All right. This will drip a little bit, but don't worry about it. Just take a glass. There you go. Put some garnish on top, maybe a straw into it, and your milkshake is ready. All right, so for cleaning, first of all, stainless steel is really easy to clean, so that's a really cool thing. If you need to clean the spinning rod, you just put some soapy water inside. Just make sure you don't overfill it. You just need about 1/3 of the cup. Some soapy water, you should put it back on, turn the device on for a few seconds, and this whole thing will be nice and clean. All right, so with each device from Royal Catering, there's a warranty for 3 years, so that speaks for itself. And if you order it, it will come in a really sturdy cardboard box, just like this one, with lots of packaging material in it, so you can be sure it won't get damaged during transport. Also inside you will find an instruction manual. Please have a read because there's a lot of useful information on how to prep the device for its first use, how to clean and maintain it, how to operate it, and so on, and all the technical details. So definitely a good read. Alrighty, so that's about it. If you found this information useful, just leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.